Everyone, hoping you and your family member are fine. So in this video, we'll discuss about how we can optimum utilizations of these available 2 months and easily crack our foundation, inter and final students. So what kind of strategies furthermore every foundation, inter or final student need to implement. Okay. So guys, first of all, every CMA student need to consider that yes, exams are going to start as per schedules and accordingly he need to prepare for further coming exams. So first of all we'll discuss about every student. I am expecting that every student has completed his 100% course and now most of the students are revising their courses. Okay, but if any student yet did not start the preparations, it is my humble request, still we have available 2 months, please optimum utilization and start your preparations. Those still confusing about whether they need to go first group or single group or both group, so you have to analyze yourself. Okay, single group is also not bad, but yes, both group has some benefit in, you can say, the set off or in campus placement, but you have to make yourself comfortable. If you are not comfortable in both group, so single group is also good. So first of all, I'm expecting that everyone has completed 100% course. Okay, and now he's revising. Okay, 2 time revision you have to implement. First, those yet did not complete the syllabus, first complete your syllabus as soon as possible. The first priority for those students, complete their syllabus as soon as possible. And now the second one for those completed the syllabus and now revising, 2 time revisions. And after completing the revision, you have to, you can say, solve all the suggested answer available for syllabus 2016. And yes, when the re-verification result declared, institute will upload Jan 21 suggested answers. Okay, so we have to wait for re-verification result. Till now we need to focus on revising, 2 time revisions after completing the syllabus, then complete all the papers available for syllabus 2016. And then soon institute will upload the Jan 21 exams. 2 days you will complete all the Jan 21 exams, 2 or 3 days it will take. Then after completing all the papers of syllabus 2016 and Jan 21 exams, then come up with the workbook. I have already prepared a video how we can easily get the workbook. Okay, after completing the workbook, MCQ booklet, if you complete all these, I can assure you that you can easily crack your July 21 exams. Okay, so simple is that. First of all, everyone has to complete their syllabus. Those yet did not complete, first priority complete their syllabus, and those already completed, revise again and again. At least 2 time revision must be needed. Then come up with the 2000 syllabus suggested answers. You have to solve all the 2016 paper, then Jan 21 exams, then workbook, MCQ booklet. And whenever you complete this, soon you can say that institute will upload the model test paper. As we have already we have expectation that yes, for inter or final there will be some changes as comparison to Jan 21 exam paper. So model paper you can expect that model paper will be the exact format. We can expect that it will come in a July 21 exam. So yes, if you implement these kind of strategies, I can assure you that easily you can crack your exams. Okay, in a concluding manner, we are revising once again. First of all, for foundation student complete their syllabus and revise 2 time. After completing that, come up with the MCQ. For foundation, 100% MCQ online exam will take place. Okay, so for foundation student completing their syllabus, 2 time revision, complete the MCQ available in a study material, then come up with the MCQ booklet. I have already prepared a video. You can easily get the MCQ booklet for foundation, inter or final. Each and everything is available in institute site for upcoming July 21 exams. Okay, so after completing the MCQ booklet, foundation student complete the model paper, or you can also buy the MCQ series from anywhere. MCQ series will be okay for you. Now come up with the inter student. First priority to inter or final student complete their syllabus, 2 time revisions. Okay, and still you need any guidance, you can ask me. But 2 time revision you have to complete, then syllabus 2016 suggested answer you have to solve each and every paper you have to complete. It will not take much time, if much time. Then come up with the, you can, Jan 21 exam paper, then come up with a workbook, MCQ booklet, and soon after that institute will upload the model paper, which you can say that expect that yes, this will be the format we can expect in exam also. So yes, if you implement these kind of strategy, I can assure you that you can easily crack your foundation, inter or final student. So yes, we have still available 2 months. We need to optimum utilizations of available those resources. Those are in a foundation will be take admission in inter, those are in inter will be taken final, and final will become a CMA. So if they implement these kinds of strategy, I can assure you that you can easily crack all your exams. Still need your guidance, you can ask me. Apart from this, every Sunday 7:30 PM I'm coming live to resolve all your queries. You can ask all your questions in live session and I will resolve all your queries. Still need any guidance in any particular subject, if you are facing problem in articleship regarding each and everything, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.